I'm Nikko, and with Miss Aronic's help, I scored a 1550 on the SAT with the perfect score 800 in math. And I would highly recommend his Stuck in SAT platform, especially because of how close and accurate it was to the real test. I think the Desmos tricks were extremely helpful, mostly for saving time. And then the biggest strategies when learning were to be able to use those tools like Desmos, um, and then also know when to use manual solving. And I'd say that Mr. Rorick knows the SAT extremely well, and so his tutoring is very targeted and also helped with like real exam strategy, so not just concepts. So during the test, and I'd also say that when it comes to predicting what's on the test, he's also very accurate. So thank you so much to Mr. Ronick, and I highly recommend.